This is my 4th year, and the first Spirit Box was here before I came along. We were approached about being a pilot program and bringing on 2 other boxes, which we were very excited to do because it just felt more clean line that way, where you have drinks in one, food in one, and then your merchandise. That was really how we really started bumping up the whole Spirit Box program at our school. It was a very simple process. We have ours in our commons area, and you also have to have, the electrical, and that you have admin approval, but the process was super simple. We average about at least $300 a day. That's like our average. We really try to stick to half or above, 50% or above on our margins. We try to take care of all of our own trips. Like I just took 28 kids to Branson just last week. Sunday and Monday we were there for a leadership conference, and that was over $4,000 trip that the kids didn't have to put $1 to. I went to another conference right when school started. We have to meet other advisors and stuff around the state, and a few people were saying, they struggle so hard with just getting, like they have $400 in their bank account. I had $20,000 in my bank account when school ended last year, and I expect to have that or more, at the end of this year. I'm like, you've got to get into this, I always promote it, always.